Hey, good morning, everybody. How are you today? Today we are going to do another video regarding health, and today we're going to focus on the microbiome or the gut as trying to balance your health. And for those who don't know me, my name is Kim DeArchangelis, health and wellness enthusiast since 2011. Broke away a little bit, coming back to it real quick so that I can start healing and feeling better and sharing the research that I've done and hopefully give you that desire to want to really better your health. So today we're going to focus on the gut. It's going to be a short video just to go over 3 things that are super important when you're healing your gut in order to A, lose weight, B, be able to become a little bit better focused during the day. Seriously, the brain-gut connection has been documented, and especially in the news oh so recently. Dr. Mark Hyman does a wonderful presentation on that. Seriously, if your gut is out of whack, you're going to have the effects in your everyday brain activity also, depression, fogginess, the whole 9 yards. So let's get started. The first thing to help you from feeling bloated and to be able to heal your gut is making sure that your pH balance is balanced in your stomach. What does that look like? Well, everything can either put you more in an alkaline state or an acidic state. Acidic state is the bad. You want to keep that balance. A few foods that are considered acidic are meat, grains, dairy, pop, any kind of carbonated drinks, high sugar drinks, alcohol, and smoking. Things that are more conducive for an alkaline stomach environment are going to be your green leafy vegetables, your cruciferous vegetables. That's going to be your cauliflowers, your broccolis. They help to balance the system. Citrus fruits are excellent. Sometimes people mistake those as being acidic, but they're not. They're alkaline. And root vegetables and some forms of nuts. Of course, if you have any allergies to nuts, avoid them until you have specific ones that you participate in. That's one. So balancing that alkaline and pH in your stomach is super good to start with. Number 2 is drink more water. Stay away from the pop and the sugary drinks or the ones that contain artificial flavorings. Aspartame, any kind. They're not good for your gut flora. Okay, so drink more water. A couple of great ways to be able to, break that, monotony or boringness of water would be throw some ice in it, throw a slice of lemon or a lime in it. Or if you get really creative and you've got a bunch of veggies or fruits left over, like strawberries, grapes, anything that has a natural sweetness to it, cut them up small, put them in. They have little tea baskets that you can use, and you'd be able to drop those in your water, let it sit, just let it, put it all in there. And it's amazing how much more, it just tastes better, and it really does give you that that texture in your mouth that you're really looking for to satiate you, so to speak. So drink more water. The next thing is to do intermittent fasting. I've been doing the intermittent fasting now religiously for a year, and until I got the COVID stuff, I literally had to, I would not eat my first meal until 1 o'clock. And then I would do it again at 6. So that gives your stomach an opportunity to be more in a homeostasis manner. What's homeostasis? Homeostasis is when your body's at rest. This is a medical term. You can look it up. But homeostasis is where we want our body to not have to be moving all the time or breaking down all the time anything that goes into your stomach. So giving it that peace and relaxation also allows you to heal it. So how do we get started on this? And as you can tell, I have my little notes because I always get off tangent. You don't need to make these changes all at once. Don't have to do that. Little subtle changes. One recommendation right off the bat: stop eating prepackaged foods. Processed foods have the Molotov cocktail of preservatives, sweeteners, salts, the whole 9 yards. Start there, and then start working into what would be better options. So if you're a heavy meat and potatoes eater, maybe substitute a meatless meat of some sort twice a week. And I've got some ideas. If you're interested, just drop a heart below. We do Taco Tuesdays, but I use a meatless meat from Trader Joe's. Girls don't think anything different other than it could be ground meat. Anyhow, so the next thing would be, remember, this is a journey. Life is a journey. You get one body. Take care of it, because how you mistreat it on the front end or treat it well on the front end is how things are going to go when you're older. And we are not spring chickens anymore. And it's time to really be conscientious about what you're putting into your body. Supplementation is really key as well. If you ever see different advertisements about different supplements, be very conscientious of what it is that you're putting in your body. Personally, I have found a company, 30 years experience in the health and wellness field. I have been searching for this forever, and most of you know that I have gone and I take little bits and pieces from the different direct sales companies that I've worked with, and I am so excited at the level of medical grade quality that this company puts out in their products. One of the products that I am super excited about is fermented ginger and turmeric. This fermented ginger and turmeric comes in a granules. It is 30 servings, and it's less than $30. That's $1 a day. Now you are truly activating the inflammation killer. Let's put it that way. Turmeric and fermented ginger are two of the highest quality inflammation fighters out there. This turmeric is activated by black pepper. Black pepper extract is huge to be able to activate the turmeric in your body to heal the inflammation. So I'm going to be putting a link below. You're going to get $10 off if you're a first-time customer of mine. So that now it's bringing it down to less than $20 before shipping. You can't beat that, guys. I'm telling you, for the first step in healing your gut, this is going to be huge. It is the Fido Gold. It is insane. You mix it at night with a little bit of, I use cashew milk. Cashew milk is wonderful, and it doesn't hurt the environment like almond milk does. So you warm that up at night, you mix it together, you drink it before bed, and literally it helps to break down that inflammation in your gut, to help create a more welcoming microbiome. And literally, it's the first step into getting your health back on track. So drop a comment in there, say me, Fido Gold, turmeric, whatever you prefer, and I'll send you a link that's going to give you $10 off on this. And I'm telling you guys, this is going to truly turn your health around. So enjoy the rest of your day. If you have any questions, private message me. I am always on, and I will do the best I can to help you walk your journey with me in this thing we call life. So enjoy the rest of your day. Love you guys. Bye-bye.